T, what are you eating?
Nectarine.
Okay. Is it yummy?
Yeah. That's kind of cold.
It's kind of cold?
See?
You want to see what? Are you just acting?
No.
Are you just pretending it's cold?
It's really, really cold.
You're such a weirdo. You are such an actress, Tierney. Take another bite and pretend it's cold.
It is cold. I'm gonna see.
It is? For real? Do it one more time. Okay, now take a bite and don't pretend it's cold.
I can't.
Well, because you got to the pit. Bite a different spot. Bite a red spot.
I'm gonna see.
You're such an actress.
Listen.
Oh.
I see.
Love you.
Love you.
Mwah.